Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vwnut 1967 channel on YouTube. First things first, we got some weather coming, so we got to put a new cover on the 7D convertible we covered up just the other day. That cover ended up getting ripped in the wind. It was probably time for a new cover, and I know a guy who had one in stock, so we're going to go put that one on. Joining me now as we go outside. It's like 18 degrees or something. Alright, so we're going to let that tire finish filling up with air. Those things aren't known for being the fastest, but they are handy. That tarp should keep her well protected for the winter. And on to whatever else we're going to get into today. See you in a sec. Well, the heat's on, so let's go with semi-cold start. I should have charged the battery last night. I don't know if this car's got a parasitic draw or not. I mean, that battery gets a lot of use, and we haven't been running the car to recharge it, so hard saying. We won't know until we put the car on the road and drive it for a while. So let's see if she'll start. Alright, well that worked out pretty good. What we got going on now is we are going to get the back of the car jacked up and put on some jack stands so that I can crack the rear bleeders brake. Hold on, it's early. Brake bleeders loose so that we can bleed that brake line that we put into the car. We should check for brake fluid first. Oh, plenty of brake fluid in stock. So that's what we're gonna get up to. Let's find the jack. Alright, so we got it up and on jack stands. The jack is not touching anything, but it is locked in there kind of as a safety. I feel confident climbing under there. Alright, well, my heater box is in the way from that angle, so that's not going to work. Let's see where I can put this spot for you. Hang in there! That hand will probably be in the way from that angle. Yep. Let's go over here. Oh, see. That's why I can't have nice things. And over here, the light is all wrong for the shot, as you guys can see. That's not, if you would just stay right down, oh, that's not horrible. I see you, Mr. Bleeder Valve. Alright, so you guys see the bleeder is right here. On top, right there. We'll take the little rubber giz off. That's a good sign when you see the rubber giz on there. Nice. I'm going to use fluid film to kind of help lubricate that up while it sits for a little while. That's just what I choose to use. If I had PB Blaster or WD-40 that was handier, I would use either one of those, but the handiest thing I had was fluid film, so that's what we'll use. Well, more good signs over here. You can see that the rubber cap, it's kind of in the shadow. Let me see, is that better? Oh, that's much better. You see that the rubber cap is on that bleeder too, and they look pretty fresh. So we're gonna go ahead and spray that one too. A little bit more snow last night. Nothing really to speak of this year so far for snow. A couple of little dustings is all. Bettina, do you want to say hi to the people? Say hi to the people. Say hi. Oh, stretch for the people. Say hi to the people. Oh, hello for the people. Say hi to the people. Sit. You want to go see what's happening in the woods? You do? Okay, we'll go see.
Get your ball. Get your ball. Get in my garage. Get in my garage.
Alright, so we got the brake pedal back, and we're going to go ahead and put the rear engines in now. I figure I've got gravity on my side right now with this fuel line, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off and then fish it through. But first I need to pull the barrel nut loose on the throttle cable so that the throttle cable can get fished through there too. Alright, so just a quick review in the engine compartment. We put the tin in the backside where I'll get my light from. We fixed the throttle cable, the fuel line, and bled the brakes. Let's go double check that brake pedal real quick. Sorry for the shaky cam. Just close your eyes. Oh, okay. Spooky darkness. I should bring the other light. Let me. Alright, that's better. Let's check the brake pedal. Oh, so nice. Alright, well, put on your ski goggles. Let's go for a snowy drive. No, oh, just kidding. We can set her back down though, I think. We got all that stuff done. Quick engine compartment update. We're starting to look like something. We still need to run the vent line from the oil-filled generator stand to the oil bath air cleaner. Heater's hooked up. All the tin is in. Oh, we're getting real close. Bring it back. Got to switch batteries. She's flashing at me. Couple more pieces to the puzzle. Alright, so the engine compartment is completely sealed and put back together with the exception of that large hole right there. So I'm going to fish around, still got to change the battery, still flashing at me, and see what I can't find to fill that hole. Bring you guys back in a second. Alright, so the engine compartment is all sealed up nice. And we're ready to move on to what's next. So let's get her set down. Quick little time lapse of jacking her up, removing the jack stand, setting her down, and appreciating the stance. Too bad we can't teach Patina to run the jack. Alright, all clear. Alright, so now let's get into what I used probably to capture your attention for this video. Careful. This poor car has been sitting in the shop getting dusty for far too long. So I'm going to give it a quick... I was watching some of my older videos on this car, kind of looking at where it started and working my way back through, and realized how shiny. This car is actually almost as shiny as Ruby, my 67. So let's go ahead and just give her a quick surgical sponge bath here in the vwnut laboratory today. It's just a little bit of spray wax and a good microfiber towel. And we'll see how shiny we can make her. Shiny bug, shiny bug. We're halfway done. Not sure why the camera shut off right there. Maybe I didn't hit record. Let's forget how shiny this is and how cool the patina is in this car. We're gonna move you guys over to the other side. I'm gonna do the other not so shiny side. And if you're wondering why there's a running board on this side and not a running board on that side, it's only because I still have the headliner and the carpet in the trunk and the stereo system to put in, and I don't want to be dragging it across the suede running board. So running board's pretty easy installation, but everything's going to come through the... Look at the dust. Look at the dust. Everything's going to come through that driver's door. So we'll do this side now. So enjoy that time lapse. We'll set you guys on Ruby's roof rack. Patina, what do you think from the heater? Is it shinier? Wag your tail if you think it's shinier. Is it not any shinier? Do you think it's shinier? You don't care. Patina doesn't care. I definitely can tell you that when the dust is off of it, it is a much shinier car. Sometimes I forget how shiny it actually is. Alright, so moving right along, I think I'm going to go ahead and put the driver and passenger seat in and the door panels. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go get the door panels from their location and bring them here. Did you leave the door open? I bet you did. Somebody left the door open. Yes, please. Alright, so we're just going to slide in the passenger seat. Okay, and then move you guys so you get smashed in the face. Alright, we'll move you out here so you wouldn't get smashed in the face. Move the light. Nice. Nice. Move over to the I'm not going to put the passenger side door panel in yet. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it needs a little bit of mending. I'm going to put the driver's side one in, so that's where we're headed next. Why don't you guys just take a seat right there on the seat we just put in. The light shining right over there. Alright, so I'm just tapping the pin in right here that holds the door handle in. Oh, well, isn't that slick? We put it on the wrong one. That's alright. We'll do her twice. Alright, we'll try again. Alright, both of my shiny red cars. Would like to thank each and every one of you for being here. I am unable to locate the window crank, so that means that without question it is time for me to clean this shop. So I won't bore you guys with that. I'm sure that I have enough for this video. We did the engine compartment, put the driver and passenger side seats in. We reminded ourselves that this is a shiny, beautiful car. We bled the brakes. I can't even tell you guys how excited I am at how close this thing is to just driving down the road. Short of a windshield and putting a windshield wiper on, we could essentially drive it today. So we will see you guys in a couple of days. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here, and so would my puppy dog, Patina. Patina, say goodbye to the people. Say goodbye to the people. You don't care for the people today, or you got problems? Hey, say goodbye to the people. You don't want to say goodbye to the people? Well, like I said, once I got about 87.5% through cleaning the shop, I found one of them. So hopefully I will find the other one, but we got that one installed, and that door is complete with the seat in, brakes done. Again, I'd like to thank you guys for hanging out with me here at the vwnut 1967 channel on YouTube, and we will see you in a couple of days.